Uyarawan malif arras akawalit kababni hundi Kenya imbektuga biya Kenya namoota fidaa jira mootummaan Itoophiyaadha. Keessumatti ijoollee Oromoo barattoota Oromoo yeroo kana yuunivarsiitii jiran high school jiran irratti akkasuma qotee bulaa Oromoo ta'e irratti dhumaatii guddaa raawwachaa jira mootummaan Itoophiyaa. Kana mormuudhaan lafa naannoo Finfinnee jiru magaalota naannoo Finfinnee keessa jiru Finfinnee jala oolchuudhaaf qotee bulaa Oromoo naannoo Finfinnee jiru miliyoona 5 warra ta'an lafa irraa buqqisee humnaan administreeshiniin ta'ee lafa isaas magaalaa Finfinnee jala gochuudhaaf qophaa'ee jira. Kana seeraan gaafachuuf jecha yuunivarsiitii keessa hoggaan haayiskuulii keessa warra ba'an seeraan mormuuf warra ba'an rasaasaan hidhee jira. Nama 100 ajjeeseera. Nama hedduu kumaatamatti lakkaa'an madeessee jira. Egaa kana mormuudhaaf biyya lafaa Oromoonni biyya lafaa jiran akkasuma warri kaan hiriira mormii akka gaggeessaa jiran hordofti keessa dhimbeettuu nus illee egaa garbaaf jennee ana walitti qabne. Stop evicting Oromo farmers from their land. Stop Oromo farmers. Stop evicting Oromo farmers from their land. Ethiopian government, stop killing Oromo students. Stop land grabbing. Stop land grabbing. Norway, listen to our voice. Stop financing the dictator government of Ethiopia. Stop financing the dictator government of Ethiopia. Gaaffiin barattoota Oromoo gaaffii uummata Oromooti. Gaaffiin barattoota Oromoo gaaffii uummata Oromoodha. Abbaan biyyummaa Oromoo haa mirkanaa'u. Oromiyaan kan Oromooti. Oromiyaan kan Oromooti. Government of Ethiopia, stop killing innocent civilians. Stop killing innocent civilians. Stop evicting Oromo farmers from their land. We oppose the new master plan of Addis Ababa. We oppose the new master plan of Addis Ababa. Stop land grabbing. Stop land grabbing. Norway, hear our voice. Hear our voice. We are voice for voiceless. Stop financing the dictator government of Ethiopia. Stop financing the dictator government of Ethiopia. Free all political prisoners. 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 Oromia shall be free. Oromia shall be free. Shall be free. Okay. This one. Abbaan biyyummaa Oromoo haa mirkanaa'u. Okay. Norway. Stop financing dictatorial regime in Ethiopia. Dictatorial regime in Ethiopia. We need justice. justice. We need justice.
We need justice.
We are the voice of voiceless people.
The voice of voiceless people.
We need freedom.
We need freedom.
Stop
Stop
ethnic cleansing in Ethiopia.
ethnic cleansing in Ethiopia.
Stop land grabbing in Ethiopia.
Stop land grabbing in Ethiopia.
Respect the human rights.
Human rights.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We are the voice of voiceless people.
Voiceless people.
Norway. Stop dictatorial regime in Ethiopia.
Stop financing Ethiopia.
Stop financing dictatorial regime in Ethiopia.
Stop financing dictatorial in Ethiopia.
We need justice.
We need justice.
Stop land grabbing.
Stop land grabbing.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need justice.
Stop ethnic cleansing in Ethiopia.
Ethnic cleansing in Ethiopia.
Stop killing innocent people.
Killing innocent people.
Norway. Stop financing dictatorial regime in Ethiopia.
Dictatorial regime in Ethiopia.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need justice.
We need justice.
Stop killing
Stop killing
innocent people.
innocent people.
Thank you.
Stop
Eventing Oromo farmers from their land. Stop killing Oromo students. Stop eventing Oromo farmers from their land. Stop killing Oromo students. Oromia shall be free. Oromia shall be free. Stop eating Oromo farmers from their land. Norway, stop financing the government of Ethiopia. Norway, stop financing the government of Ethiopia. Down with TPLF. Down with TPLF.
farmers.
Stop killing Oromo students. Stop land grabbing. كافين برتوتا كافين متى أورموت. Norway. Stop financing government of Ethiopia. Free all political prisoners. Oromia shall be free.
Down with TPLF. Down with Wayane. Down with Wayane. Down with TPLF. We need justice. We need justice. We are not criminal. We need justice. We need justice. Down with TPLF. Down with Wayane. Down with Wayane.
Free all political
prisoners. Free all political prisoners. Oromia shall be free. Shall be free. Oromia shall be free. Stop killing Oromia students. Stop killing Oromo students. Stop land grabbing. Oromian kan Oromoti. Oromian kan Oromoti. Biyi Abban Biyuma Ummata Oromo Amir Kanau Gaffin Baratota Oromo Gaffi Ummata Oromo Hundati. Norway stop financing the dictatorial government of Ethiopia. Norway stop financing the dictatorial government of Ethiopia. Free all political prisoners. Free all political prisoners. Free all Oromo students. Stop killing Oromo students. Stop killing Oromo students.